Okay everyone, I want to show you today how to replace the screen in your sliding door for the balcony. I'm gonna do it quick. I'm not a pro. I just learned from some YouTube videos and I'm gonna place it for you now. Okay, it's very simple. So you need this rolling knife. You can get it in Home Depot. It's like $24. You need spline, another 20 something dollars. Screwdriver, a blade. Even though this roller has a blade, I prefer the other one. I'll use this for cutting the screen at the end. And yeah, a roll of a screen, you make sure you have the measurement. So I already put two of the splines. I started from the ends, and make sure to secure it when you start. Like this one right now, I just released it, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. As I tell you, I'm not a pro. I'm just saving few bucks, and so I'm a professional guy. So you get it there, you're gonna press, you're gonna need some force, but it goes very easy. Once you have it there, you start rolling. And the idea of keeping the tape is because it's not gonna roll back, right? So you can see my daughter Leah is helping me with the video. Leah, if you can come closer and bring it closer so everybody can see how it goes. Or go from that angle. Go from that angle. Go from the other side and bring the camera closer. See? Make sure you keep it straight or away from here. So done, then you get the blade. There's people that do it all the way. I'm just doing it. So bring it back. Cut again, and the idea of the screwdriver is to push this edge back down. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So goes inside. Pretty much done. I have to do the other side, but I just wanted to show you this one. And then right after that, with the blade, you cut the edge, the remaining one, and that's it. Okay, thanks.